Hi student, Namaste. Myself Gaurav Pawar. Welcome to the channel SJP Education Hub, educational YouTube channel. Today's topic is the continuous topic of last topic related to the last topic. The difference between a common and a scholar, student or a person. In last topic, we have studied that about the study material method of a common and a scholar. There we have studied repetition is method of a scholar. What is a repetition? We have studied that repetition means when you learn something, repeat that learn thing, learn topic, repeat and repeat, repeat, and then take next topic, then learn, then repeat. Learn, repeat, learn, repeat means repetition method. And a common student does the method revision method. What is the revision method? When common student learns something, he think I learn this thing, then he goes on next topic, he learn that topic and goes on then other one topic and learn that topic, and then he remember I'm going to forget the first topic. Then he come on the first topic and revise that topic. This is called revision of that particular topic. This is the method of common man. Revision is the method of common student or man. Here we see in part 2 mentality of a scholar and a common. Here we are going to see what is the mentality of a scholar and a common student. Actually, it is related to the brain power, brain structure. What is the difference between man's brain and other animals' brain? This is the main question. How we humans are so clever, so smart because of our human brain structure, because of the human's brain structure. All living and non-living things are made from the particles, small particles. Living things made from the small particles, which we called cell. Thus, our brain is also made from a cell called oligodendrocyte. What is the work of oligodendrocyte? It controls the nervous system. It produce myelin. What is the work of myelin? Myelin is the substance which make human smart or a dull. If your oligodendrocyte is activated, after the activation you are becoming scholar in that particular field. Means when your oligodendrocyte activated, your subconscious mind is becoming activate. Okay, then you are becoming scholar in that particular field. For example, Sachin Tendulkar, he is not actually good in other subjects, in other sport, but in cricket he is master blaster. He is not a common in cricket but a scholar. How would this be possible? Because of his brain is activated, his oligodendrocyte cell of brain is activated because of his practice. Other players and in Sachin, differences between that both is the practice repetition process. When Sachin Tendulkar learned the cricket from starting, he was not a scholar in cricket, but when he learned something, he repeat that thing more time than other players. Thus he is becoming a scholar player in cricket. When you activate your oligodendrocyte cell, you are becoming a scholar in that particular field because of your subconscious mind is activated. What is the difference between a conscious mind and subconscious mind? Conscious mind is a mind, as like I am speaking with you with consciously, and subconscious mind is someone is driving cycle or motorcycle or a car or a truck, and accidentally any person or any animal come in road of that vehicle, and he saw, and automatically his hand or his leg go on the brake. This activity is occurred by subconsciously, and this is called subconscious mind. A common man actually work with consciously, but when your oligodendrocyte and your subconscious mind activated, you works with subconsciously and clearly. And when this is possible, in part 1 I have told that when a common student took the process of a scholar study method, repetition method, and when he learns something and going to repeat that thing more and more times, he can do this 2 times or 4 times or 5 times maximum. Then he will become bold. But if he go ahead and repeat and repeat and repeat after the boring, then his oligodendrocyte cell become activates. Okay, this is the method of becoming scholar. Activate oligodendrocyte, to activate subconscious mind. In next topic, I am going to tell you about the actual problems and solutions which are coming when you take the repetition method for studying and working. Okay, so kindly like my videos. If you don't subscribe yet my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like my channel, like this video, please like the button, press the like the button and share it. Thank you very much.